Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. 8 Ways to Eat Better for Less in 2026. The author shares stories of cooking on a budget, from triumphant moments to more challenging times when money was tight. The article focuses on strategies and principles for eating well and saving money, including 1. Developing a rolodex of reliable, budget-friendly rent-week recipes. 2. Learning the rhythms and deals at your local grocery store. 3. Planning ahead with a dinner queue or quarterly food plan. 4. Keeping a flexible approach with easy fallback meals on hand. 5. Focusing on cooking techniques to get the most from humble ingredients. 6. Finding ways to reuse and repurpose food scraps and leftovers. 7. Gradually building up a well-stocked pantry over time. 8. Mastering a few fridge clean-out meals to use up odds and ends. The overall message is about building confidence, pleasure and resourcefulness in home cooking, even on a tight budget. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.